Welcome to the Kidoplanet.
Today, we're going on an alphabet adventure. Are you ready? Let's go.
A for apple.
B for bicycle.
C for cake.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
G for guitar.
H for house.
I for ice cream.
J for jug.
K
For kite.
L for lion.
M for milk. N for ninja.
O for octopus. P for pumpkin.
Q for queen. R for rabbit.
S for sun.
T for turtle.
U for umbrella.
V for vase.
W for watermelon.
X for X-ray.
Y.
I for yo-yo. Z for zebra.
Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing and stay curious. Remember, learning is always fun with Kidoplanet. See you soon. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kidoplanet.